FlexSim is an object-oriented 3D simulation software that simulates the discrete events of both discrete and continuous systems. It allows you to model any type of sequential flow or factory operation. If you manufacture products, build assemblies, or have warehouse or supply chain operations, FlexSim is the simulation product for you. FlexSim is used to eliminate waste in a production process, with waste being any action that doesn't add value to the customer. Waiting adds no value to the customer, and it's expensive to have excess waiting time for customers, products, and machines. FlexSim is a 3D simulation environment, so you can start with an AutoCAD file of the facility and drag out the resources for a true-to-scale model layout. The software also features a script-free logic building environment called ProcessFlow to help you describe even the most complex processes. This combination of drag-and-drop 3D technology and innovative logic building allows a user to model any system quickly and efficiently. Then bring your real-world data into FlexSim directly from Excel, a database, or an HTTP server using the latest available data to make accurate predictions about future production.